Hi everyone, Rene here with whyamigreen.com, and we were going through Market Basket and Raluca found these Wild Wonder Melody Gourmet tomatoes. And what do they look like? She thought they were awesome, and they are. There's all different colors, like little gold nuggets. I think they were made by elves and hollow trees. So she wants me to grow some of these, so I'm going to show you how we're going to do them. Not only do I not know where to get the seeds, but I don't even know what they are. So here's what we're going to do. Raluca, you said you like which ones?
The red ones.
He likes the red ones. So let's have, let's see, how's that one look? Good?
Yep.
Here's the ones we're going to pick. We're going to pick some nice red, fat ones. And, oops, can't use that one. And,
You just ate it.
oops, okay. Did you want me to play this one?
No.
Okay, good. But how about some of the...
No, I don't want those.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so here's a few of them.
Not all of them. I want some to eat.
Now I'm kind of wishing that we were planting chocolate. If I could do that with all my
Well,
sticks.
that red one is round. I don't want the round ones.
You don't want... I'll put it there. You know what else to go.
These look like Romas.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take them and cut them in nice thin slices. See those seeds in there? I learned from doing this before, you don't want to put them in too thick slices, because if you do thick slices, they mold because of all the moisture in them. In fact, I almost wonder if I should put some paper towels. I guess you could squeeze them in paper towels, but I'm going to try not to. Wow, these are a lot of seeds. And I'll do a follow-up video of these in about a week or so you can see how they look. So now that we have it this far, what we're going to do is we're going to go to this soil. This is a mixture of potting soils and garden soil and all kinds of different kinds of stuff that my mother mixed right over there. She's the elf. She made me promise not to videotape her, so Raluca's doing it. Okay. So, oops, this one here does not have seeds in it.
So you can eat it.
Plant the ones with seeds. Yes.
You eat it.
Dirt is good for you. So, we're going to plant the ones with seeds in it. And I did this last year with some Romas and some with a vine tomatoes. And you can see one of my earlier videos. I'll put the link at the end of this one so you can see how they turned out. And they were really good. Let's see, this is one way. Yeah, see there's nothing there. This is one way. If you like a tomato, you can plant it and get exactly what you wanted. Okay, now I'm going to take a little more soil. We have some garden soil behind the camera. And I'm going to cover them with a little soil. And since they're so wet, oops. Ah! Since they're so...
But you look so pretty. Your shirt is so pretty.
Look at my fingernails. Oh my
I'm
God.
not filming the film.
She's here to help me transplant all these tomatoes today. So yeah, we're already all full of soil. And I'm not going to pat it down too much, but I covered it with a light layer of soil. Last time I didn't put enough soil and they started to fall down. So this time here, whoops, get more soil there. I'm planting it with enough so that way they're going to be grounded. And the reason why I got this instead of a regular black tray is I want to leave them here for a while so they're going to get some nice roots. And all I need to do is make one of these white picks and put that on there. Wild Wonder Gourmet Medley. Guess that means there's going to be music when you eat them. Medley. And that's all you do. Here we go. We got a whole mess of tomatoes. And these are for Raluca, and we'll do a video later on. So go ahead and give it a shot with any tomato you like, or green pepper, or even a steak. I'd like to see what you get. Put it in the comments below. Okay, this is 6 days after I planted my Wild Wonders, the slices of tomatoes, just under the soil. And are you ready to see what came up? And there we are with 6 days of growth. It's funny, if you look at them, you'll see the various groups of peppers. Oops. And you'll see right where I planted each slice, a bunch of them came up. So there was a slice there, a slice there, a slice there, a slice there. I must have missed the one there, slice, slice. But wherever you see the bunches, and they grew in the slices. So if I planted a lot more slices, I would have had a lot more tomatoes. But all I need is probably a half a dozen or so for what Raluca wanted. So the rest of them, I will still grow them out, and I will sell them in my great plant sale I'll be having in a few more weeks. So remember, if you have a tomato that you like and you can't find the seeds, just slice that tomato up and grow your own. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye.